Ki bor penyai district East Giant Hills, kilapan pau biang ya kajingkut jingmut, ban penbet ya kajing ahlur kaman, baya day ber ke karkhana, hakakit kaba, ling ba kajinga kren ba kajinga trilang kat kum kaan, da kaba ong babarok kiseng kidan ya kahok ban pen pau ya kajing sengu kya basyong norim. Henry onam sha da lele ru ban shim ya kaan hala ki jong gikti, ban kang ya kisurok pat ba, bat pentut ya kajing syakri bagong san hakalit kawan. Ka Office of Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills District lingba ukurwa bala pelat ha ka Henry utrik nay wiang ka kwa ban pensyai ki jing shisha ki baya day ka jinga ki ka barang ya shakman ka bala khot pelong da ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association persya ya ki karkhana do bilat ki batre kam hapo ka district hadien ka jing penbena ya ka jinga ki na do ka arpin yaw tarik Risau Arja Apsan ki bor district kila khot pelong mardor ya ka jinga kren ban penbet ya ka ni ka kam lingba ka jinga mir jingmot lang bat barok ki ken huon badan benta la pelong ya ka jinga lang da ka jinga trilang ha ka laipo tarik Risau Arja Apsan hapo ka office jong deputy commissioner ka klerian ha ka bala wan ya shim benta da ki nong mi khmat na ka seng Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association ka Giant Hills Truck Owners Association but ka East Giant Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association ong ukurwa. Wat hadian balakon Henry ka MCTODA kalakin tat ban wan sya ka ni ka jingalang. Ki artli ki way pat ki seng kata ka GHTOA but ka EJHTOTA kila pentik na baka jing turekam ka jongki hakabaya day but ki karkhana do bilan kalong ka bayat bay ya renti but kim karshan ya ka ni ka jingaki. Nalor kata kila ay tiru da kajing thok ka bapun pao ya kajing angnut ban penne ya kijing turekam ki baya day bat ka kit ka ba. La ong ru bala khot biang ya kajing alang hakalay puway tarik Risau bat lay tarik na wiang Arja Apsan hapdeng ka Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat ka MCTODA ya ka bala penyay da deputy commissioner banyak kren halor kijing dawa bala pun pao da ka MCTODA. Ki jing dawa ki kentup ka jing penteri kam ya ka dorkin balapan bena ka jing hanglat ya ka jing kit palat pot ka jing ayat shwa ya ki trokit mar jing ki traishnong ka jing penbet ya ki jaka penyeng kali ka jing siu biang por ya ka bay penkit mar ber ka jing bur enti ya ki jing trekam. Hadien ka jing akran lapan syai da ka Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association baya ka dorkit mar balapan bena da ka Sorkar Meghalaya nakabenta ka kit ka ba hapo ka jala ladda ban pentrikam pura da baro ki karkhana ki batrikam hapo ka district. Henry nakalyang ka MCTODA kala dawa ba day ban pentrikam ya ka ju ka dor by one hapdeng ki jala. Kalong ka badan kam bantip ba omdan kum kani kendon ha ka Motor Vehicles Act khat kandai spa pra but omdan ka Sorkar jala kabala ban budor baikit na kabenta ki way pat ki jala. Ya ka dor baikit hapring ki jala lapan bet kat kum ka jinglong jong ka yo kahan ka jingjingay bat ka jingya menjor lang hapring unong pa bat unong kin. Kumta ka jingdawa ban pentrikam ya ka dor balapun bana da ka jala bat ki way pat ki jala kalong ka babean bat ka bapalat ya ka bor jong ka Sorkar jala ban rap ukurwa. Ha ka juk ka por ki nong mi khmat na ka GHTOA but EJHTOTA kila pun pao ka jing sngong kya ka bajor halor ka jing shakta ka kamay ka ji jongki namar ka ni ka jing shak khanglat ka babean lingba ka ni ka jing aki ha ka ba kila panru ya ka jing karshan jongki bor Sorkar ban pentikna ya ka let kawan ka balait luit na ka bentay ki kali jongki. Na kalyang ki bor district kin beteng banyat relang bat baro kinunga shimbenta ka MCTODA, GHTOA, EJHTOTA, but Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association. Ban pay siya ka jinga kran ya penbet, bat da ka ba penne ya ka suk kasan, bat pentikna ya ka let kawan balait luit jong ki kali, bat ka jinga dai kamay ka ji jong ki nongnya kali hakaling ka district, ban rap ukurwa.
With respect to this ongoing strike called by Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association (MC TODA) against cement factories from 27th October onwards, So I wish to inform all of you that district administration acted promptly, and on the 30th of October, we called a meeting of all stakeholders, including Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturing Association, MC Toda, and other two transport associations, Jaintia Hills Truck Owner Association, as well as East Jaintia Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association. But unfortunately, MC Toda declined to attend meeting on that day, saying that they would want to attend meeting separately with the Cement Factory Association, not in the presence of other two associations. However, the other two associations attended the meeting that day, and they informed us that they are not supporting the strike called by them, and they are working cordially with the cement factories, and they wish to continue the movement of their vehicles. So, however, to find a peaceful solution for this, we accepted the demands of MC Toda and again reconvened the meeting on 31st of October as well as 3rd of November with MC Toda separately along with Jaintia Hill Cement Manufacturing Association. So during the meeting on 30th and 31st and 3rd November, MC Toda expressed various concerns with respect to the transports, with respect to the cement factories. Their main demands were regarding fixation of interstate transportation rates and priority to the local truck drivers, reduction in the waiting time and loading time, and also certain regulations with respect to labor laws to be followed by the cement factories. So during the meeting, cement factory also has given a written reply to all their demands, wherein they have accepted all their demands. Only with respect to the fixation of interstate transportation rate, they clarified that there is a rate notification by Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya, which is with respect to the intrastate transport rates under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So under this act, any state government can notify transportation rates within the state. So the cement factories have also been following those rates. They informed us during the meeting, and they informed MC Toda also that they have been following those rates that have been notified by Government of Meghalaya as far as intrastate transport is concerned. And they are already working with these two associations, and they are willing to work with them also in future. As far as the interstate rates are concerned, there is no such act which allows which empowers the state government to notify interstate transport rates. So that was clarified to MC Toda during the meeting. Those rates are dependent on the consignor and the transporter based on their mutual agreement, depending on the distance, depending on the location, as well as the market fluctuations. So that was the appeal from the side of Jaintia Hill Cement Manufacturing Association, that they are willing to discuss these rates also, because this will require complex discussion. All rates cannot be fixed for interstate transport in a single meeting, and they have accepted all their demands. So they also requested the MC Toda to withdraw their strike and come for further negotiations with respect to this interstate transport rates. So, however, MC Toda declined to withdraw their strike during the meeting, as till the time a fixed interstate transport rate also is given to them by the cement factories. So, after the meeting, we received reports that MC Toda have been obstructing the vehicles of cement factory and other transport associations, and certain reports were received with respect to harassment of some drivers and vehicles which are not participating in the strike. So because of this, the district police of East Khasi Hills had to take action as per law to ensure free movement of goods, vehicles, and also to ensure public safety on the national highway. So I would again, from this medium, I would like to appeal to MC Toda that while we understand their concerns, and we are still open, and we are always open for dialogue, and with all the stakeholders, so that we can find a peaceful resolution to this, to their concerns, to their demands. At the same time, we also request them not to obstruct the vehicular movement on the national highway further.
Balapan bana daka MC didoe nado ka arpnyotrik urus risau arhajar arhusan ke kibor penyak distrik kila sedang ba mardor ban shim ya kisenjam ban penyesuk ya kajing ya keren hapdeng barok kinong shim bentah kat kum kani kajing khot jing yalang haka laipho terik urisau arhajar arhusan ka office jong deputy commissioner kalaya shim bentalang ban wanra ya kinong mi khmat jong kiseng jong kinong shna simen ki karkhana simen na ka Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat kumju ru ya kiseng trai trok harilum jantia bat ka East Jantia Hills Owners Association. Bat hakani ka jingya keren ka ba la khot lang ya barok ki association nado ka MC TODA ru ti lalap ba ka MC TODA kala kentaj banwan syakani ka jingya lang ban ya trai lang wat la khot yaka wat haba la ailat ya kani ka seng ban wan lang ban ya mir jingmut ha kani ka jing yalang ha ka jing ya kendu ha kani ka lai potrik u risau ki wei pat ki artli ki seng kata ka JHTOA bat ka East Jantia Hills TOTA kila pentip sya ka administration baki ya trailang bat ki karkhana simen bat kim kershan ya kani ka jing ya ki balakot da ka MC TODA hadin kila IT ya ka jing tho ka ba pen scam ka jo bat pen pau ya ka jing kular jongki ban penne e ki kam kit marbam man kasngi ka jing ya lang ha kani ka laiterik unai wing arhajar arhusan kala penpau ba kala persyang lembah ka district administration nanta ha ka laiterik unai wing arhajar arhusan ha ka bala penya da unongsoi harum bat lai shim bentalang da ka Jantia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat ka MC Toda. Ha kani ka jing ya kendu la penlong ya ka jing ya keren ka babnya halor ka thup jing dawa bala ai da ka MC Toda ki ba kentup ya ki ni harum. Ka jing pentrai kam ya ki dor kit mar bala penpena da ka sorkar ka jing ya da na ka jing kit palat ka jing kit ba kongsan na ka benta ki trai trok ba marjan kapor yang kali bat kapor up ha ki jaka bu mar ka jingsiu ha kapor ka babyang ya ki bil kit mar bat ka jingbu renti ya ka jingtrei au na ki wei pat ki seng ha ka santrik u naiwing arhajar arpusan ki nongmi khmat jong ka JH TOA bat ka East Jantia Hills TOTA kilai kendu biang ya kiba lasoi harum bat ya ki jingpen pau kiba kila ai ba ki smoke ya kaba crowd ba ka jing im jongki ki shak ta jur namar ka jing yaki kaba dang ya chakmat bat ka jing hanglat ya ki surok ba kila pan jing kershan kerki na kaliang ka borsen syar bat pentikna ya ka jinglet jingwan jongki trok jongki klem jing hanglat bat banyada na ka jingsha leben ne jing hanglat haki kunhun ki bayaki baro artli ki seng kila karpat ru ba dei ban penrung lang haki nu kinu ka jing yamir jingmut ne jing yalang ki ba hadien habut ki baya dei bat ki kam kit mar bat kit mar haka district namar kidang yai beteng ban trekam kat kum ka an bat kidang penne ya ka jingya dei ka bajan bat ki karkhana shna simen ti namar kata ki kwa ba kani ka jingya treilang kan long ka bayat suk yat bet yat renti ha ka kerdan jong ka jing sensyar ka district administration kum ka bor sensyar ka penpau biang ba ka shimkia ban pentikina ya ka jing penbet ka basuk ya ki jing ki bay dei pat ki karkhana pat ki kam kit bam kit mar mata baro lemba ka jing ya keren bat ki lat ki lenti ki bay dei bat ka an kat ba baro ki seng ki don ka hok ban mikmat ya ki jing ki jongki bat ki don ru ko hok ban ya keren lani bu ya kimat ki jongki ki bakongsan hakmat ka district administration Henry kalong kaba khanglat pat ya ki lat kamai da kababu ya kani kajing ya ki da kaba ki khang ya ka surok ba pat pentut ya ka jingkit jingba ki badon kam bat ki nonglek nongwan ha ki patba ha kaliang ki patba kabor sensyar kan beteng ya trelang pat ki nongshim benta kentuk ya ka MC toda JH TOA East Jantia Hills TOTA bat ka JHC MA ban ya trei sha ka jingya penbek kaba la ban pediang lang baro da kaba penne ya ka an bat kumju ru ban bu ya ka jing shong suk shong san ban pen tikna ya ka jing lat ya lat lut jong kimar kimata bat ka jing ya lenti bat ban ya da ya ka jing im jung baro kinong tre kit mar ha ka district administration ka kwa ban pentip ba ka jing trang jong ka administration kalong ba ngikwa berbuar ya ka jing shong suk shong san bat ngikwa ru ya ka jing penbek da ka ba aipor ban ya mer jing mut lang habaro jong ki association klem da pen dot penwit lani pentut ya ka jing le jing wan ne ka jing kit jing ba jong kiwei pat ki nong kit mar kit mata ha ka ba ya de bat ka suk ka san jong ka district ka ka ba ngile ngin hap le at kum ki kendon ki an namar ba ngi hap perkhat ya ki pat ba babun lang ba kanum don kanu ka jing thut namar kata ngi kwa ba kata ka jing ya keren ya mer jing mut kan long lang ha keren san jong ka district administration da ka bang ya keren benya ba bat keren snow thu kum ki riu rang ba khnang ba kanu ka kam kanum penthut ya ki pat ba babun ha ka district lani ha ka jalla hi barok hobai